Meet Melissa Sloan. She's going through a divorce. They are trying to reach a divorce settlement. Their marital assets include a business they started together. They have other assets such as retirement and investment accounts. They also own a marital home. Melissa doesn't want to continue being in business with her ex-husband. Her ex-husband doesn't have enough liquid cash to buy her out. He is looking into obtaining a small business loan, but it will take time. Melissa wants to sell their house. They agree that Melissa will get the house. Melissa found a condominium that she would like to buy. It is a great deal and exactly what she doesn't want to take the time to list her house with the local realtor, as it could take months to find a buyer. She doesn't want to lose the condominium. She knows it will sell quickly. Melissa wants to sell the house quickly and is willing to sell it at a discount. There were some repairs that needed to get done and had been neglected. Melissa doesn't want the expense and hassle of getting repairs done. Melissa searched the internet for a local home buyer and found Core Real Estate Properties. Melissa contacted Core Real Estate to find out how they may be able to help sell her house quickly so she can buy the condo that she wants. She learned about the different options available for her by working with Core Real Estate. She learned that Core Real Estate will buy the property as is and require no repairs be made to it. She also learned that Core Real Estate will buy it for cash with no financing contingency. She doesn't have to pay any sales commission or closing costs. The best part is Core Real Estate can close within 30 days. Core Real Estate even helped her line up a moving company to move into her new condo. Melissa decided to sell her house to Core Real Estate. She received a fair cash offer with a quick closing date. She was happy to find the process easy, fast, and hassle-free. To learn more about Core Real Estate Properties, visit www.sellmyhousenowusa.com or call 239-360-3176. Set up your free no-obligation consultation now.